these are the leaves that represent the salad kit that goes into the basket. So the salad kit is basically, you know, people like to eat a fresh green salad. These are all weeds that grow locally. They have no ecological cost, no carbon footprint. They have very high nutritional, medicinal values, and they taste great. Mix them all together. There's rosella, and there's ivy gourd, there's tipoli leaves, the drumstick leaf, there's bale fruit leaves and guava leaves, and there's chicken spinach, tamarind leaves, radish leaves, the butterfly pea, and hibiscus. And you have this amazing salad that a little lemon, a little salt, maybe some peanut powder or some coconut. You know, I mean, if you're European, maybe you'll put some olive oil, you know, or maybe just coconut oil. And it's supreme, you know. This is really, really king's food.